I already made meal plan for the whole week. So let me take you with me sa grocery. Okay. Well done. Sa mga gantong pagkakataon ko nami-miss si John. Because the shopping itself, I love doing it. Pero yung pagbubuhat right after, no. I've been away from my baby for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I miss her so much. So, let's go straight back home. Feeling ko, medyo gutom na yung asawa ko ngayon. So, I'm thinking na dumaan na lang muna tayo ng drive-thru. Merienda muna. Kasi pagdating ko sa bahay, tsaka pa lang ako magluluto. I'm going to make humba tonight. I'll try to bake something kung kaya ko pa. Do you guys want to see like luto-luto videos? Extra ketchup, 4.
Your 4 po na
Spaghetti. Okay. Thank you.
Ingat po sila.
Okay, nakuha na natin ng epektos. Uwi na tayo.